Let me guess. You're starting DIY projects, fixing stuff at home, and suddenly you realize you don't even know which tools you actually need.
That's exactly why beginner tool sets exist. Instead of buying tools one by one and guessing, a good tool set gives you the essentials without the stress.
But not all tool sets are beginner-friendly. Some are missing basics, and others are packed with tools you'll probably never touch.
A solid beginner tool set should cover everyday jobs. Things like screwdrivers, combination wrenches, pliers, a hammer, and maybe a measuring tape. Simple tasks, tightening bolts, assembling furniture, small repairs, nothing complicated.
And affordability matters. Beginners don't need fancy tools right away. What you want is decent quality, comfortable grips, and tools that won't round bolts or slip in your hands.
Exactly. Cheap tools can end up costing more when they break or damage fasteners. A good starter set should feel reliable, even if you're using tools for the first time.
Another thing beginners often overlook: storage. A proper case keeps everything organized, so you're not hunting for tools every time something needs fixing.
And it also helps you build good habits early. Clean tools, stored properly, last longer, and work better.
So what should beginners look for before buying?
Look for balanced sets. Not too small, not overwhelming. Clear tool labeling, durable steel, and a brand that actually focuses on precision and long-term use.
That's why many professionals recommend starter sets from brands like ELORA. Their beginner toolkits are straightforward, no gimmicks, just tools that do the job properly.
They're especially good if you want to start with quality and grow your tool collection over time instead of replacing everything later.
So if you're just starting out, DIY, home repairs, or learning the basics, don't overthink it.
Start with the right tool set. Learn how to use each tool properly and build from there.
Because every expert started as a beginner.
With their very first tool set.